Although threats to freshwater systems are a global issue, one of the most severely threatened populations are the people of Karachi, Pakistan. Climate change and mismanagement have seen the supply of freshwater drastically reduced, with the IPCC climate forecast showing this problem worsening in the coming years. Karachi historically obtained their water from clean, healthy groundwater sources, until contamination and saltwater incursion rendered such sources useless. Overpumping, lack of rain, and increased demand due to an ever-growing population now jeopardize the country's viability, with imminent critical water shortages threatening to take hold. Currently, Karachi's residents stand in line for as long as 2 hours a day to obtain clean water, which they may not successfully collect, as the clean water supply is insufficient to cover such demand. Pakistan's water pipelines and hydrants are controlled by a government beleaguered by corruption. Despite this, the country will need to work with its surrounding neighbors, as well as the global community, to find a solution. According to the IPCC, the task of cleaning up the global water supply poses significant challenges, though certain measures could begin to address some fundamental threats. These measures cover a spectrum of difficulty, with some focused on quantity and availability, such as rainwater harvesting, desalination, and water reuse. Other approaches focus on the use of water in relation to the land, in particular agricultural practices, or conservation tillage, vegetation cover maintenance, planting trees in steeply sloping fields, mini terracing, improved pasture management, and more efficient soil and irrigation water management aid in soil and moisture conservation. Beyond those measures, more holistic conservation focuses on the restoration of freshwater habitats and better management of what remains of Pakistan's floodplains. While these efforts have a direct correlation to improvements in water availability and quality, they require a massive scale of effort, coordination, investment, and governmental sponsorship, which in and of itself creates an additional layer of challenges beyond the challenge of implementing such solutions.